In this video, we'll learn how to share a Google Doc so each student makes their own copy and automatically shares that copy back with you. This video is for Brightspace educators. Google Classroom uses a different process. First, get the shareable link. Open your Google Doc and click Share. Set permissions to anyone with the link can view. Click Copy Link. We'll edit this link next. Modify the link to force a copy. Paste the link into a new tab or document. Find the word Edit at the end of the URL and replace it with Copy. When students visit this link, they'll see the Make a Copy prompt. After that, add a question mark, then the Users to Invite option, an equal sign, and your email address to the end of the link. This option is undocumented and not officially supported by Google, but it prompts students to invite you to edit their copy automatically. Finally, share the link with students. You can email the link to students, or if you're using Brightspace, you can post the link in an announcement, content page, or assignment folder for starters. When students click the link, they'll be prompted to make a copy and share the copy back with you. Now you know how to share a Google Doc so students make their own copy and share it back with you automatically. This helps you track progress as students work through their learning tasks.